All right, hey everybody. I have something different today. Most of the time, my unboxings are military surplus, collectible firearms. Today, I have a medal that I purchased on eBay about a month ago. It's actually called the Medal for the Victory Over Germany in the Great Patriotic War, 1941 to 1945. It was actually issued to all the participants, military participants of the Soviet Union who, were in the front lines, who fought against the Nazis, and it's in commemoration of them. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This actually came all the way from the Ukraine, ironically. And, found it on eBay and just thought it'd be kind of neat to have. So let's go ahead and open it up. I've been waiting a month for this. Finally came today in the mail. I've never purchased any medals. From the military. It's supposed to come with a certificate as well. I hope that's included. Each medal came with a certificate issued to the recipient, with his name on it. I don't know much about these, but did a little research, and they were established or made in May 9th of 1945. And so it's wrapped up nicely here, but I think there is a certificate in here. Oh, here we go. It's wrapped up in tin foil. Kind of neat. And oh, neat. Look at that. Wow. Comes with its own certificate with the name of the person it was issued to, the name of the veteran who fought valiantly against the oppression of Nazi Germany and gained back their country. That's special. That is really neat. Kind of get goosebumps holding this. I wonder what the life of this person was like and how they served in what capacity and what they went through, the sacrifices that they made, the losses. And here's the medal. It has a pin on the back of it. And on the front of it, it states in Russian, "Our cause is righteous." And on the bottom part, in Russian, it's "We are victorious." And then on the opposite side, at the top, "For victory over Germany in the Great Patriotic War of 1941 to 1945. That's in the middle. So this is really neat to have. Let's see a little close up to that. That's Stalin, of course. We'll go ahead and flip it over again so you can get a better look. It's really neat. And this is the certificate. I don't know what all this says, but it has its own stamp, you can see. And wonder who signed it. But that's special. Not only were the Red Army soldiers recipients of this, but the Navy as well as the NKVD troops. I'm not sure who they were. And I believe there were civilians that were issued this as well that took part in contributing to the victory over Nazi Germany. So There you have it. From the Ukraine. The medal for the victory over Germany in the Great Patriotic War of 1941 to 1945. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps. I appreciate your support. Thank you.